Hello, my dear ones, and welcome back to Zero Trade. Today, I decided to talk about how to eliminate the most common difficulties that beginners traders face. And we'll start perhaps with the description of the first trade, and then we'll move on to define those most common difficulties and how to deal with them. Let's start with a brief technical analysis. The first pair is euro to Canadian dollar, and here we can see an uptrend. Now the price is in the support zone and I expect it to reverse on the upward movement. That is, we apply the trend strategy here. And let's go to the broker to open a deal. I have set the expiry time at 4 minutes and the position size at $250. And of course, let's go back to TradingView for detailed technical analysis. I'll explain everything in a moment. Now let's draw the main movement corridors and those mark the main support and resistance levels. The first thing I want to note is the recovery of the downtrend. Even taking into account its news influence on the sharp increase in volumes, the trend further recovered, but with smaller fluctuations. This period was not characterized by a strong predominance of sellers on the market, and therefore, with the increase in activity at the London session, it only intensified. Sellers stretched their influence and thus the fall went to a new local minimum. But at the same time, the buyers were able to accumulate strength, and with the arrival of more activity began to form a reversal. And as the influence on the market changed, the chart went into the upward reversal movement. Yes, there are still downturns and then there is a pullback, but the buyers are steadily saturating the market with volumes. So now I expect a reversal from the support zone to continue the trend movement. We can now go back to the broker to watch the outcome of the trade. And for now, let's talk about our main topic. Starting to learn trading can be a daunting task, but don't be discouraged, because these difficulties that may come your way are just challenges that can help you become a better trader, if you can handle them. I remember from my experience, and I also know what the most common problems are for my students. So let's break it down in order. Insecurity and fear of risk is a natural state for beginners. You can stay on a demo account for a very long time and thus limit your earnings precisely because of uncertainty, which appears on the background of fear of transactions. As a solution, study the market's strategies and risk management methods. Of course, you should not immediately try to trade on a real account, but distinguish between demo and real trading and gradually shift the gradation to gain confidence without the risk of losing real money. Then gradually increase the volume of real trades and confidence growth. Failed trades and losses is a second common problem, but this is quite normal. Do not see it as a stopper to your growth. On the contrary, even losing trade is an opportunity to grow and learn. It is important to learn from every trade, especially the losing ones, and not let emotions influence your decision making. Losses are experiences that bring valuable lessons. For this purpose, in my open Telegram channel, I will publish materials to how to create Trader's Diary, where you can then track your progress. This way, you will be able to understand what knowledge you lack and where you need to change. Also, in the open Telegram channel, you can trade with me on a joint trading sessions and get additional profits. As a bonus to each of my trades, I do technical analysis, so you can compare it with your own. Feel free to join the community of traders where you can grow into a successful trader with a big profit. But for now, my dears, let's wait for the completion of the trade, and as you can see, the analysis is 100% correct. So let's wait for a while and take our profit. Let's move on to another currency pair. Well, this will be a pair of euro to Swiss franc. And as usual, before opening a position, a brief analysis. Just like the last pair, we work with the uptrend, but there is one nuance. Namely, it is the resistance level and the maximum price. And since the chart is still developing, let's go to the continuation of growth from the resistance toward the maximum. Let's open a position on a broker with an expiry time of 4 minutes, and of course, let's go back to TradingView for detailed technical analysis. As usual, we consider the price development for the previous period of time. And let's start by marking the local maximum of this period, which we will need for analysis. And also we will designate the former sideway, which developed after the decline of the volume on purchase. Local microtrends can also be marked in this sideway. They are necessary for understanding the intermediate levels. But let's turn to the global movement. From the resistance level on the increase in activity associated with the opening of the London session, the price on strong volumes from the seller side went into downtrend with a sharp decline. Therefore, here we can fix the minimum and excessive strength of sellers in the market. So the buyers changed the trend on the accumulation and brought the price to the growth. Eventually, an uptrend was formed, in which we are working now. And as I said, at the support zone of this trend, we enter the reversal and price development along the trend up to the price maximum. This is where I can finish analyzing. Well, for now there is one more common problem faced by beginners, is emotional reaction to market fluctuations. It is absolutely true to say that emotions such as pride, fear and greed can strongly influence your decisions and often harm you. However, developing emotional stability is very real, and it is one of the key qualities of a successful trader. Understanding your emotions is the first step to managing them. Regularly ask yourself questions: what exactly I'm feeling at this moment? Why am I feeling this way? And how can this affect my decisions? Being consciously aware of your emotions helps to control them. Overestimating capabilities and failure to meet expectations is another one common difficulty that needs to be worked through. The first step is to realize that achieving long-term success in trading is not light and fast. Learning and developing skills takes time and effort. Invest in your education and set realistic goals. Create a trading plan that includes your goals, strategy, and timeline. This plan will be your compass in the world of financial markets and will help you keep a balance between ambition and reality, just as important as a trader's diary. Instead of expecting instant results, set small, achievable goals. This will allow you to see progress and keep you motivated. Don't put all your resources on one card. Diversify your portfolio and strategies to reduce risk and increase your chances of success. And now, before closing the trade, I want to take a little more time and tell you about my VIP channel, where you can not only get more signals from joint trading sessions, but I will also become your mentor. If you have any questions or need to create a trading plan, test a strategy, understand the tools for trading, then welcome to the team and we will discuss all these matters at personal consultations. Write to me in private messages, phrase "I want VIP" and get access to earnings, training and mentorship. As you may have already noticed, the second deal also closed with profit. So let's record it, and I think that's all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. So don't skimp on likes and subscription. See you in the next videos. Profit to all.